Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Today, we're making the easiest, fastest fluffy pancakes ever. No fancy tools, just simple ingredients. And melt-in-your-mouth softness. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, add all dry ingredients into 1 bowl. Add all dry ingredients into 1 bowl. Mix them gently. This helps your pancakes rise evenly.
Now crack 1 egg into another bowl.
Add melted butter. And a little vanilla for aroma.
Whisk till smooth. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry.
Fold gently, don't overmix. Small lumps are okay.
Batter should be thick but smooth.
Let the batter rest for 5 minutes.
Sitting in a fat ice. This makes pancakes extra fluffy.
Heat a nonstick pan with a little butter. Pour the batter gently.
When you see bubbles, pour the batter gently. Got it, nice for me. It's the Pope. It's time to flip. Beautiful golden color.
Repeat with all the batter. This recipe makes 6 to 8 pancakes.
Now it's time to serve.
Add a little butter on top.
A little butter on top. Add a little butter on top.
Drizzle with honey or syrup. Chocolate lovers can add chocolate syrup.
Add some fruits like strawberries.
It contains brace or bananas and nuts. Filling crackers. Look how soft and airy they are. Perfect breakfast in minutes.
To the Bumbers. Simple ingredients, amazing results. To the Bumbers. Simple ingredients, amazing results.
Just like cafe-style pancakes.
Soft, fluffy, irresistible.
Nourishing impeccable wage. I hope you'll try this easy recipe. Nourishing impeccable wage. I hope you'll try this easy recipe. It's quick, simple, and delicious.
Don't forget to like this video. Stay blessed and keep cooking.
Always Totem start this. See you in the next delicious recipe.
Share them with someone you love.
Subscribe to the channel. And hit the bell icon.